Welcome to our video. If you're looking to purchase a dash cam to protect yourself while you're on the road, then you're in the perfect place. We've taken the time to evaluate a variety of models and have come up with the top 5 picks for this year. So let's get started and find out which dash cam is best for you. Number 5. The Rexing V1 is a 4K Ultra HD car dash cam that provides superior quality videos of your driving experience. It features a 2.4 LCD screen and is equipped with Wi-Fi, allowing you to easily connect and view your recordings on your mobile device. The 170 degrees wide-angle lens captures the entire road ahead, while the G-sensor, WDR, and loop recording functions ensure you never miss a detail. Additionally, the camera is powered by a supercapacitor, ensuring reliable and consistent operation in any temperature. The Rexing V1 can also be managed and controlled via a mobile app, and it supports up to 256 gigabytes of storage for your recordings. Number 4. The Rove R2 4K Dash Cam is a comprehensive car dashboard camera recorder that utilizes advanced technology to ensure a secure ride. This camera is equipped with Ultra HD 2160 resolution, 2.4 LCD, a 150 degrees wide-angle lens, WDR, wide dynamic range, and night vision capabilities. The built-in Wi-Fi and GPS allows you to easily monitor your route, store and share captured footage directly from your smartphone or computer. The camera also features an emergency lock button for those moments when you need to quickly store important footage. The Rove R2 Dash Cam is the perfect solution for both everyday drivers and frequent travelers, providing peace of mind in the event of an accident or emergency. Number 3. The Nexar Pro Dash Cam is the perfect combination of a high-definition front dash cam and an interior car security camera. It boasts a sleek, modern design with a wide-angle lens that captures both the road ahead and the cabin of your vehicle. With its advanced parking mode and built-in Wi-Fi, you can monitor and review your recordings anytime, anywhere. The Nexar Pro Dash Cam offers superior protection and peace of mind with its advanced sensors and algorithms that detect and record any incidents or movement inside or outside of your vehicle. With its intelligent loop recording, it ensures that you never miss a moment, and its built-in G-sensor automatically saves any important footage in the event of an accident. Number 2. Ring Car Cam is a revolutionary new dash cam that features dual-facing HD cameras, live view, two-way talk, and motion detection. This dash cam provides the ability to capture both the front and rear of your vehicle in crystal-clear full HD. Live view allows you to monitor your vehicle in real time via the app, while two-way talk lets you communicate through the camera's built-in microphone and speaker. When motion is detected, the dash cam can automatically start recording, giving you the peace of mind that your vehicle is always safe and secure. The Ring Car Cam is the perfect way to protect your vehicle, whether you're on the road or parked at home. Number 1. The Vantrue S1 Dash Cam is a powerful and versatile device that offers comprehensive coverage and protection for your vehicle. It features a high-resolution 4K front camera and 1080 rear camera, both equipped with Sony night vision technology to ensure clear and detailed recordings even in low-light conditions. The S1 also includes 24-hour parking mode, motion detection, and capacitor for reliable operation in extreme temperatures. Additionally, the S1 offers a single front camera recording at a smooth 60 fps for a more detailed capture. All of these features come together to provide you with a comprehensive and reliable recording solution for your vehicle. We hope this list of the dash cams was helpful and that you found the perfect one for you. For more details, check out links at the description below the video. Thanks for watching and happy driving.